First Street in Manchester stands out as a preferred housing choice among BPP University students. Nestled on Jack Rosenthal Street, this student accommodation boasts an array of studio apartments featuring large windows that flood the space with natural light and ventilation. The sizable, cozy beds contribute to a homely atmosphere, while ample storage is provided by the wardrobe, chest of drawers in the study desk, and shelving unit. The private bathroom is not only spacious but also well-equipped. In the kitchen, you have a range of modern appliances like a cooktop, oven, and microwave, facilitating the preparation of delicious meals. Common amenities include a pool table and a TV, creating a relaxed environment for socializing with friends. The proximity of BPP University and Arden University within walking distance makes this residence a bustling hub. On your way home, you can grab dinner from Pizza Express or Indian Tiffin Room. Essential grocery shopping is made easy at Sainsbury Local, and you can unwind with a few drinks at Bunny Jackson's. The residence's location near bus stops and train stations enhances its accessibility for convenient travel. For those seeking an incredibly accessible living experience, consider booking your stay at First Street Student Accommodation through amberstudent.com.